Today we're showing you how to sew an invisible zipper. So we need an invisible zipper, fabric, thread, scissors, an iron, zipper foot, an invisible zipper foot, and universal needles. We recommend you to work with the Schmetz brand. So first of all, we're tracing with the iron the seam allowance on the fabric. Now we'll prepare the invisible zipper. We're placing it on the back side and ironing to open the spiral or the teeth. Then, let's trace where we want the folding to sew the zipper. This trace will guide us when sewing and backstitching. This time, we're placing the teeth of the zipper close and aligned with the seam allowance of the fabric. And we'll pin it. Now we'll install the invisible zipper foot in our sewing machine. As you can see, the foot has two rails to cut the spiral of the zipper. We use a straight stitch with the needle aligned to the center and the stitch length of 2.5 to 3 millimeters. We will sew on the left side of the foot rail. Remember to leave a space of 0.5 inches at the top of the zipper. And let's start sewing. Always remember to backstitch. Let's check that the zipper opens and closes well. Now check that the other side of the zipper is aligned. This time we will use the right rail of the foot to sew. In the same way, we will leave a space of 0.5 inches from the top edge, and then backstitch. Check that the zipper keeps running from top to bottom. Now we're going to install the zipper foot in our sewing machine. We will sew on the seam allowance to close the piece. Always remember to backstitch when finishing. When you get to the beginning of the zipper, keep close your foot to backstitch. Once again, we're checking that our zipper slides properly. Now, we iron the seams. Look how the seams are completely flat, and we actually can see the zipper. Now you've learned how to sew an invisible zipper. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out more sewing hacks on our website 123dreamit.com.